Last one.
I got video. You want to do video?
Yeah. Ready? It's clear? Alright, so here's another patch. On the day of cleaning, I found this the day before. Here's another patch of mold. I will be taking a sample of this myself. This is very deadly. I try my best to not kill myself. There we go. So you guys can see that this house is saturated. They need to clean the whole house. They need to remove the walls. It's coming from under the house. I'm going to take this small sample and I'm going to remove myself from the premises. I wanted to do it live so you can see. So all they're going to do is scrape all this off and it's going to come back. It's coming under the floor. They're not going to remove the windows, so it's going to come back through the windows. The windows need to be repaired. Here's my specimen. Here's my sample that I collected. Hopefully that'll be enough for them to test. I'm going to pick up one more sample. I'm going to get a paper towel. And I'm just going to wipe it with a dry paper towel and place it in here. Pause it.